If you could give some indication to that today, I'd be obliged.
Thank you, and thank you for all the support that you've been given in the work that we're doing in India and in Pakistan. And you know I'll be in Pakistan in a few weeks' time. The free trade agreement has got a whole range of key sectors within it, and what we try and do, and I hesitate to speak too much on this because this is Carol de Gucht's territory and I stray onto it at my peril, quite rightly too. What we try and do is make sure that in each of the discussions that there is a real dialogue with the industries who are going to be directly affected. A free trade agreement in principle is designed to support and enhance the opportunities of all countries and of all sectors of industry, but one has to be very mindful of the implications that there can be for individual sectors. So if I may, I will find out more about where those particular discussions might be. For my part, my role was to try and ensure that we were moving forward in the bilateral relationships with India on security issues, on issues of human rights, on economic matters, in order that we have the strongest possible relationship with a country that we'll be debating later in the context of what we now call the BRICS.
Question hour is closed. Κυρίες και κύριοι συνάδελφοι, το επόμενο σημείο στην ημερήσια διάταξη αφορά στη δήλωση της Αντιπροέδρου της Επιτροπής, της ΥΠΑΤΗ εκπροσώπου της Ένωσης για την εξωτερική πολιτική και πολιτική ασφαλείας